Hi students, so 7th class students, you are waiting for my video, isn't it? So today I am going to start exercise 3 of integers. The first sum is represent the following subtraction on the number line. You have to represent this 7 minus 2 on the number line. Okay. So I explain you in my introduction video how to do subtraction on the number line and addition on the number line. So today I am going to explain you how to do subtraction on a number line in this exercise. Okay. Here 7 minus 2 is given. So for drawing a number line, what you have to do, you have to take 0. Okay, in 0 you have to take in between. Okay, right side, on the right side you have to take positive numbers. Okay, on the left side you have to take negative number. Okay, so here we are taking positive numbers that are plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and plus 7. Okay, till plus 7 we are taking this number, and here we are taking on the left side negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Okay, now we have to represent this 7 minus 2 on the number line. Here 7 is there. Okay, you have to move the curves on the left side. For doing subtraction you have to move the curves on the left side. For doing addition you have to move the curves on the right side. So we are moving the curve on the left side 2 times. We have to move the curve 2 times. Okay, here 7 is given, minus 2 you have to do now. Minus means you have to move the curve on the left side. Okay, 1 2. Okay, so you have to keep one arrow also which side you are moving. Okay, here we are moving on left side now, so we are keeping the arrow here. So what is 7 minus 2 here? It is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. First sum, second bit is 8 minus of minus 7. Okay, here bracket is given, you have to remove this bracket. Okay, what is minus into plus, minus into minus? Okay, here we have to do the multiplication. Okay, here minus into minus is plus. Okay, 8 plus 7 you have to write. So 8 plus 7 means this both becomes positive integers. So you have to represent these positive integers on number line. So here again we are drawing a number line. Okay, positive means we have to write on right side. Okay, numbers we have to write on right side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till 15 I am writing. Okay, so what you have to do, 8 plus 7 means you have to move the curves on the right side. Okay, so here 7 times we are moving the curve. Okay, here 1 2 3, okay, 4 5, okay, 6, here 7. So the answer is here 15. Okay, now which side you are moving, you have to draw an arrow like this. Okay, like this you have to draw an arrow. Okay, so the answer is here 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, so first bit, third sum is 3 minus 7. Okay, you have to represent this again on number line. So we are drawing a number line. Okay, here again we are taking positive numbers from the right side, on the left side we are taking negative numbers. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 till minus 4, I am taking minus 5 till minus 5 I am taking. Okay, so what you have to do, 3 minus 7 means from 3 you have to move the curves. Okay, 7 times. 3 minus 7 left side. Okay, you have to move the curves on the left side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the answer is here, it is minus 4. Okay, so the answer is here minus 4. So fourth one is 15 minus 14. Okay, so 15 minus 14 means here what you have to do, again you have to draw a number line. Till 15 I am drawing a number line. Okay, now we have to move the curve 14 times. Okay, on the left side. Okay, minus is there now on the left side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So the answer is 1 here, it is plus 1. Okay, so the sixth sum is minus 2 minus of minus 1 is there. So what you have to do here, again you have to remove bracket. Minus 2 minus of minus into minus is plus. Okay, you have to remove the bracket, it will become minus 2 plus 1. Again you have to draw a number line. Okay, positive numbers you have to write on right side, and on the left side you have to write negative numbers. Okay, so minus 2 plus 1. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 means what you have to do, you have to move the curve on the right side. Okay, one time you have to move the curve, 1 is there here now. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. One is solve the following. Okay, first bit in the second one is 17 minus of minus 14. Again you have to remove here bracket. What is minus into minus? It is plus. What is 17 plus 14? It is 31. Okay, again next one is 13 minus of minus. Minus of minus means minus into minus. It is plus. 13 plus 8. What is 13 plus 8? It is 21. Okay, next one is 19 minus of minus. Again minus of minus means minus into minus. 19 plus 5. What is 19 plus 5? It is 24. Okay, again 15 minus 28. Okay, 15 minus 28 means here what you have to do, you have to do here 28 minus 15. Okay, you have to do here 28 minus 15. It is 13. What is 28 minus 15? It is 13. Okay, so you have to write here minus symbol. Okay, minus symbol. Why you have to write here minus symbol? Because the minus number is bigger. Okay, so next one is 25 minus 33. Okay, what is 25 minus 33? It is 8. So you have to write here minus 8. Why? Because which number is bigger here? 33 is bigger. So before 33 what is there here? Minus is there. So again sixth one is 80 minus of minus 50. 80 plus 50. Again you have to write minus into minus is plus now. So you have to write 80 plus 50. It is 130. Okay. So again 150 minus 75 you have to do. Okay, what is 150 minus 75? It is 75. Okay, you have to do the subtraction. You have to do 150 minus 75. Here I am doing this. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, here 4 is there now. So what it will become? 14. 14 it will become 14 minus 7 is 7. It is 75. Eighth bit is 32 minus of minus 18. What is 32 minus of minus 18? Again minus into minus is plus. You have to do 32 plus 18. Okay, 32 plus 18. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 50. Okay, so you can do addition and subtraction now. That's why I am not showing in details. Okay, I am writing the answers. You have to do it. Okay, so third sum is express minus 6 as the difference between a negative integer and a whole number. Okay, if you take one negative number and one whole number, okay, so you have to get the answer minus 6 if you do the difference. Difference means you have to do subtraction. Okay, so here we are taking one number, here one negative number. What is a negative number here? Minus 100 plus 94. It is the whole number. So if you are subtracting it, 100 minus 94, if you are doing, the answer is here minus 6. Okay, here minus, which one is which number is bigger here? 100 is a bigger number. So before 100 what is there here? Minus is there. So you have to write here minus 6. Okay, again we'll take minus 10 plus 4. What is minus 10 plus 4? You have to do 10 minus 4. It is 6. Again you have to write here minus. It is minus 6. Again what will do? Minus 45 plus 39 will do. It is again minus 6. If you do 45 minus 39, what is the answer here? 45 minus 39 means what you have to do? You have to do here 15 minus 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 6. Here 3 minus 3. Here 1 we are taking here now, so it will become 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. It is 6. Okay. One more number will write minus 18 plus 12. It is again 6. 18 minus 12 you have to do. It is again 6 minus 6. So express minus 6 as the difference between a negative integer and a whole number. If you are doing a difference between a negative integer and a whole number, you have to get the answer minus 6. Exercise 4, first sum is fill in the blanks. Okay, first one is minus 100 into minus 6. Okay, first we'll multiply the symbols. Minus into minus is plus. 100 into 6 is 600. It is plus 600. Okay, so next one is plus 600. Okay, next one is minus 3 into dash is there, okay, one blank is there, is equals to 3. So the answer is 3 here. So what you have to do, you have to write here minus into minus is plus. Okay, it is plus 3 now. So here you have to write 1. Okay, 3 ones are 3. Now 100 into, okay, minus 6. Okay, again what you have to do here, 106 are 600 you have to write. Then what you have to do here, you have to write here minus. Okay, minus is there now. So here plus is there, plus into minus is minus. Okay, minus 20 into minus 10. Again minus into minus is plus. Okay, 20 tens is 200. It is plus 200. What is 15 threes are? It is very simple. It is 45. Okay, here plus is there, plus into minus is minus. It is minus 45. Now second one is find each of the following products. Okay, so first one is 3 into minus 1. Okay, the first bit is 3 into minus 1 is here, plus is there, plus into minus again, minus 3 ones are 3. It is minus 3. Okay, so here next is minus 1 into 225. Okay, it is minus into plus is again minus, it is 225. Okay, now 21 into 30. Okay, minus into minus is plus. Again 21 30s are 1 0 is 0, 2 0 is 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 0 3 6. It is 630 plus 630. 3 16 ones are 316. Okay, now minus into minus is plus again. Minus 15 into 0. What is minus 15 into 0? It is 0 only. So 0 into minus 18 is 0. Okay, always remember 0 into something and something into 0 is always 0. Okay, when we multiply 0 with something, the answer will be 0 only. Okay, sixth bit is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Okay, here three numbers are given. So what we'll do here, first we'll multiply these two numbers. Okay, first we'll multiply these two numbers, then we'll see what is the answer, and we'll multiply that answer with this number. Okay, what is minus 12 and minus 11? If minus into minus is plus, again we know we have to do here 12 into 11. Okay, we'll do here 12 into 11. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Okay, again 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 2 3. You have to do here addition now. 1, it is 132. You have to do 132 into 10. Okay, what is 132 into 10? It is 2 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0. Okay, we'll do this 130 into 10 here. Okay, 2 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, plus 1 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So 0 1 3 2 0 is the answer here. Okay, so you have to write here 1 3 2 0. Okay, understood this? The next one. Now what is the seventh bit? 9 into minus 3. Okay, here again plus is there, plus into minus is minus. 9 3s are 27, minus 27. Okay, minus 27 will write. Okay, into minus 6. Okay, minus 27 into minus 6. Again we'll write here minus into minus is plus. 27 6 will do. Okay, 27 6 are 6 7s are 42, 6 2s are 12, or 2 6 are 12, 13 14 15 16. It is 162. Okay, so the answer is here 162. Next one, eighth one. What is 18 5s again? Minus into minus is plus. Okay, 18 5s means 90. Okay, plus 90. We'll write here plus 90. Okay, into minus 4. Okay, what is plus 90 into minus 4? Again plus into minus is minus. 90 into 4. 94s are we have to do now. 94s are 4 zeros are 0, 4 9s are 36. So the answer is here 360. Okay, minus 360. It is very easy. Okay, 1 2s are 2. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay, so you have to write here 24. Now minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Okay, got it? If you want to do 2 ones are 2, minus into minus plus, you can write here plus 2. So 3 4s are 12. You can write here minus into plus is again minus into minus 12. Okay, what is 12 2s are? It is again 24. Plus into minus is minus. It is also minus 24. Okay, again here 3 6 are 18, minus into minus is plus. It is plus 18 into 2 ones are 2, minus into minus is plus. It is plus 2. Okay, now plus into plus is again plus. Okay, what is 18 to what is 18 2s are? It is 36. Okay, now the third question. What is the third question? A certain freezing process requires at room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So here what is given here, first you have to write in the word problems, you have to write given. It will be very impressive for the examiner. Okay, first you have to write given. Okay, what is a given here? First room temperature is here 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, when it is lowered at 5 degrees centigrade, when this 40 degrees it is lowered at 5 degrees centigrade. Okay, what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? If we start beginning the process, if we stop at 10th hour, we are lowering the temperature with 5 degrees centigrade. If we are stopping at 10th hour, what will be the room temperature? Okay, first we are writing given is first room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. When it is lowered at 5 degrees centigrade means what you have to do, first hour, in a first hour you have to take this 40 degrees centigrade, lower means you have to do minus. Okay, minus 5 degrees centigrade, 40 minus 5 is 35. Again you have to do second hour. What is the second hour? 35, 35 minus 5 you have to do. Again we are lowering it with 5 degrees centigrade, 35 minus 5. Again in the third hour 30 minus 5, fourth 25 minus 5, fifth 20 minus 5, sixth 15 minus 5. Okay, in the seventh hour 10, we got the answer here 10 na? 10 minus 5. In the eighth hour 5 minus 5 again, it is 0. In the ninth hour it is 0 minus 5. What is 0 minus 5? It is minus 5 only. Okay, don't think that here into is there, 0 into 5 is 0. Not, it is not like that. Okay, 0 minus 5 is 5 and minus 5, and 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, and 0 into 5 is 0 and 5 into 0 is 0. Okay, 10th hour, 10th hour means minus 5 minus 5. Again you have to take this minus 5, again you have to lower it with 5 degrees centigrade. Minus 5 minus 5 is with when two negative numbers are, then what you have to do, you have to do addition here. Okay, minus 5 minus 5 is minus 10 here. It is minus 10 degree centigrade. Okay, the room temperature is minus 10 degree centigrade for 10 hours after the process begins. Okay, fourth question. What is the fourth question? In a class containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. So a class is there. Questions, 10 questions are given to the class. 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 1 is for incorrect answer. So 0 for questions not attempted. So one student is there named as Gopi. Gopi gets 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. What is his score? So given, what is the given here? For correct answer 3 marks, for incorrect answer minus 1. So Gopi gets 5 correct answer now. So 5 into 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks means 5 into 3 is 15 marks for correct answers. So again for incorrect answers, again how many incorrect answer Gopi has written? 5. 5 into minus 1. Okay, 5 into minus 1 is 5 ones are 5, plus into minus is minus for incorrect answers. What is the total score of Gopi? We have to add this 15 with this minus 5. 15 plus of minus 5. Okay, so this minus 5 you have to write in bracket. Okay, 15 plus of minus 5 means 15 plus into minus is, it is minus 5. What is 15 minus 5? It is 10. So Gopi gets 10 marks. Okay, Gopi gets 10 marks in a class. So the second student is Reshma here. Reshma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. What is his score? Again, what is given here? For correct answer 3 marks, for incorrect minus 1. It is given in the question. So Reshma gets 7 correct answers now. So 7 into 3 you have to do. Okay, you have to multiply these 3 marks with Reshma's correct answers. Okay, 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. 21 marks for correct answers. Now what is the incorrect answer? 3 incorrect answer. Reshma wrote 3 incorrect answer. 3 into minus 1. Again you have to multiply this with minus 1. 3 ones are 3. Plus into minus is minus. So for incorrect answers. Okay. What is the total score here? Again what you have to do here? You have to add this 21 with this 3 minus 3. Okay. So 21 plus of minus 3. Okay. 21 plus into minus is minus. Okay. 3. 21 minus 3 is 18. So Reshma gets 18 marks in the class. Okay. Now who is the third student here? Rashmi. Rashmi gets 3 correct answers and 4 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. What is her score? For correct answer we know 3 marks is given. For incorrect answer minus 1. So Rashmi gets 3 correct answers now. 3 correct answers into 3 marks. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 9 marks for correct answers. Again 4 incorrect answers now. Rashmi gets 4 incorrect answer. 4 into this minus 1. Okay, we are multiplying this with minus 1. Okay, 4 ones are 4, plus into minus is minus. Okay, minus 4 for incorrect answers. Okay, so total score of Rashmi is, you have to add this 9 with this minus 4. Okay, 9 plus of minus 4, it is 9 plus into minus is minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So Rashmi gets 5 marks in the class. Okay. Fifth one is, a merchant on selling rice earns a profit of rupees 10 per kg of basmati rice. Per kg he is earning rupees 10 profit sold, and a loss of rupees 5 per kg, okay, of non basmati rice, and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of non basmati rice. So first one is, he sells 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non basmati rice in a month. So he sells how many? 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non basmati rice. So what is his profit or loss in a month? First given, what is the profit here? Rupees 10 per bag of basmati rice. Loss is rupees 5 per bag of what? Of non basmati rice. Okay, so 3000 bags of basmati rice means what we have to do here? We have to multiply this 3000 with this 10 rupees 10. Okay, so what is the answer here? When we multiply 10 into 3000, it is 30,000. Okay, now 5000 bags of non basmati rice. Okay, 5000 bags of non basmati rice. So here what we have to do again? 5000 into 5. Okay, we have to multiply with loss. Okay, for basmati rice we have to multiply it with profit. For non basmati rice we have to multiply it with loss. Okay, so 5000 into 5 is 25,000. So now what is the profit here? What you have to do? You have to subtract this 30,000 with this 25,000. Okay, 30,000 minus 25,000, it is 5,000. So the answer is here 5,000. So the loss is here 25,000 and the profit he earned is rupees 5,000. Okay, so the loss is here rupees 25,000 and the profit is only rupees 5,000. Second one is, what is the number of basmati rice bags he must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of bags of non basmati rice sold is 6400. So number of non basmati rice bags are 6400. Okay, So we don't know the number of bags of basmati rice. So what we have to do here, profit of basmati rice is equals to loss of non basmati rice. So profit of basmati rice means rupees 10 into bags we don't know, so we will take these bags as B. Okay, now loss of non basmati rice means 6400 into rupees 5. Okay, we will multiply this 6400 with 5. So here 10 into B, it is 10B. 10B is equals to 6400 into 5 is 32,000. Now B is equals to 32,000 by 10 you have to take. Okay, now 0 0 gets cancelled, so 3200. Okay, so here the number of basmati rice bags he must sell to have neither profit nor loss is 3200. Okay, sixth question is replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Okay, you have to replace the blank with an integer giving a true statement. Okay, so here minus 3 into dash is given, 27 is given. So how many times this 27 goes in 3 table? It goes 9 times. It goes 9 times. 3 9s are 27 now. So here plus is there now. Here plus is there. Before 27 plus is there. If no symbol is there before the number, so plus is there now. So what you have to do here, minus 3 is there now. So one more minus if you add here, minus into minus is plus, 3 9s are 27. So second one is how many times this 35 goes in 5 table? 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 7s are 35. So here we are writing minus 7. Why we are writing minus 7 here? Here plus is there. Plus into minus is minus. 5 7s are 35. Now 56. 56 means how many times this 56 goes in 8 table? It goes 7 times. 7 8s are 56. So again here minus is there. So what you have to do here? Plus. Plus means you can write 7. 7 into minus 8. 7 8s are 56. Plus into minus is minus. So here what is there? 132 is there. So how many times this 132 goes? This 132 goes in 12 table. It goes 11 times. Okay, 11 times means here minus is there. So again what you have to do here? Here plus is there. Here minus is there. So you have to keep here one more minus. Okay, minus 11 minus 12. 11 12s are 132. Minus into minus is plus. So more three exercises are there. Okay, I will explain you in my next video. So your next exercise is based on properties. Okay, first I have to explain the introduction of all properties and I have to start the exercise. I can't explain whole exercises in one video. It will get mingled, you can't understand. Okay, so somebody told me that please explain one chapter in one video. Okay, the video will be very lengthy if I explain one chapter in one video. Okay, so I will make a playlist for you. Okay, you can do from it. Okay, till then stay safe, goodbye.